Hi guys, this is Pratyush, and today I want to make a case study for from my client that we worked well, and he got pretty amazing results with our Godfather product as well as using Rumble ads. Okay, so let me share my screen. Sure. Desktop one. So we're right in here. So guys, how Tuan can turn $2,500, $2,500 to $20,000, which is an amazing case study we have now. The real case study using Rumble ads and using Godfather high ticket product. So who's Tuan? He's an affiliate marketer tired of like $37 commissions, struggled with Facebook bans for years, and he wanted consistent high ticket results. So what happened? The main struggle that he was facing was his Facebook accounts was constantly getting banned, higher on the CPMs. On the CPMs on YouTube and Instagram and Meta were crazy. He was overwhelmed with the free advisors with almost zero results, guys. So the breakthrough happened when he discovered the Godfather high ticket system. He plugged into our done for you system and he ran ads on Rumble with act of because that's what we told him to do. To run ads on Rumble with almost low competition. Okay. So what is the Godfather system? So we provide you the pre-built funnels, the VSL, the booking system, and our team closes the deals for you. We have very high converting script, real support from experts like me and other people. And why Rumble ads? Because it has low competition, untapped attention, direct linking is allowed. It feels like basically like Facebook was in 2010. Okay. So the setup was very simple. I can show you, I'll try to show you. The budget was around $2,500 for in total, which he received as an ad credit from us. He used three ad creatives. He target tier one country, only United States, cold traffic only. Okay. So the ad was like very simple, short ad that went to the VSL and that led to the book a call. And once they book the call, our team handled the call and closed $2,500 offer, right? So basically, he had 61 calls booked, out of which eight were high ticket sales, eight converted into high ticket sales, $20,000 in revenue, almost 8x return on the investment, which is amazing, guys. So why it worked? First of all, the clear messaging. Second of all, blue ocean platform like the Rumble, and third one was proven funnels and serious buyers only. स्नेहा जाओ यहाँ से स्नेहा रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं चलिए So testimonial. So he was like, this is what he told. Like he was honestly at the rock bottom. He tried everything, low ticket, ClickBank, even Shopify, nothing stuck. I saw the system and I said, screw it, I'm all in. I followed the steps and launched on Rumble, and in 14 days, I made $20,000. That wasn't like it was a war strategy done right. I'm never going back. Okay, so very happy about this case study that we have able to pull in. The real lesson: you don't need followers, you need a system and a strategy. One good ad can change your income trajectory. Okay, so are you like Tuan? Are you tired of Facebook ad account bans? Tired of low ticket and failed, feel you are built for more and what high income, high ticket income, right? So your opportunity this week, I have five strategy called Spot Left. We'll map out a custom Rumble strategy and show you our exact funnel that we are using to drive traffic and convert for ourselves and for client like Quant can. You can book your call here by going to this link, sangamsoftware.com/high ticket training page. Let's build your $10,000 per month system. It starts today, guys. So this isn't a hype, it's a war tested. If Tuan can do this, so can you. Let's create your breakthrough and I'll try to show you the Rumble itself, okay? Not the ad account. So here we are running these ads, campaigns, all right? Pretty cheap CPC and great returns we're getting. You see it here on 114 clicks, which is with a very good CTRs. So we can literally run almost anything and everything on this Rumble platform, and this is the Rumble platform, Rumble.com. It's a platform backed by Donald Trump and Peter Thiel and all these people, and it has almost 43 million visitors, out of which most of them are from America, United States, Canada, okay, UK, Austria. Those the traffic that you want for your thing, which is good. Coming back to the slides. So just wanted to show you that like this is super simple. It can be done through our guidance, right? So what if you could visualize wealth of, see, close your eyes and picture of that one $2,500 hitting your account. Okay, now imagine five of them. Feel it. It's the same feeling Tuan did. Tuan didn't just made a lot of money. He desired freedom, legacy, and to prove himself. And the energy you bring to your action attracts the people, clients, money you want. I call it energies plus strategies both. So your vibration is equal to your results. Are you vibrating with stress and fear, or power, clarity and conviction? Twan shifted so you can too. Beliefs creates the breakthrough. Twan believed that he could win even when his past said otherwise. That belief changed with his results and the blue ocean that we discovered this year called Rumble ads. See it before you have it, right? He saw the Stripe dashboard and the sales that he got through five sales of $2,500 is amazing. He imagine closing high ticket clients and those commissions coming in, which is amazing, right? You already have the tools. Most of people searching externally. It went tap into what he already had: a phone, a system, and a fire inside. When he got emotional and enough was enough, he made a decision that led to the income that that he has done. And I'm pretty happy about it. I'm trying to help at least five more people do like 20K, 30K, maybe 100K as well. So the moment you decide I'm all in, the right mentor, the right call, the right result shows up. And so, and once you start believing about this, you speak, you move, market like someone who earns 10,000 a week. The universe catches up. It all starts with the mindsets and strategies with your mentor, and then starting Rumble ads with us, right? See, all these funnels are tools, but the real funnel is your thinking. Twan cleared his doubt, and the money flowed. You see, high income task requires high energy, focus, ads, funnels, closing, and daily power moves, which is very simple. You just drive the traffic, use our creative, that your unique creative, then gonna be good. So Twan did got banned on Facebook and other places a lot of times. So he didn't dwell on this losses. He dwelled on, okay, how what's a unique new opportunity? How can I use that opportunity to make a lot of money? He focused on what works, and that's what grew, right? And after that, of course, he was once I showed the system, he was grateful enough. And once he applied and he got the result, he was even more grateful. The calls, the chance, and more blessings came. So, what it really takes to win, right? A real mentor, someone who has done it, not just reads about it. You need not more YouTube videos. You need someone in the trenches calling shots with you, just like we are doing. Better tested strategy. You can't guess your way to 10,000. You need system that has already made millions, funnels, traffic, conversions, and all that. Understand, guys, I've been running traffic from 2013 till now and across various platforms. Energy that vibrates attracts wealth. If your vibe is confused, beginner, no one will buy. Shift your energy to a closer and a player, a leader. Those who win high ticket. Okay, if this speaks to you, it's not a coincidence. It's your time. Let's make it real. You can go here and watch the full training for sangamsoftware.com/high ticket training page, or you can basically book the call. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, this case study that we made it for you. All right. Oops. So guys, the opportunity is pretty much huge at the moment with the Rumble ads, right? and you guys can take the leverage of our system, plug in, and start printing like 10,000, 20,000, even 100,000. Because the traffic on Rumble, they stay there. They stay there. They're most of them are right wing. So they stay there. They are for new that they watch the content, and it's a great platform at the moment. Okay. So book your call and watch the training. Okay. Thanks.